Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Shavi Joshi and I love making daily vlogs as well as reading content. And today we're going to be making a daily vlog because I have a few things on my mind that I have to get completed, and I thought, why not? Let's make a video. So let me just start with making a list and then I'll be telling you what I have to do. So I've written down all of the things that I have to do right now. Let me tell you what are the things on my list. I have to clean because the area right now over here is very messy. आप अभी देखोगे, it's super messy and I need to clean it. I have to have some food because I didn't have my food and it's quite late. तो अब मैं खाना खाऊंगी. I have to get my biology notes completed. After that, I have to edit my videos because मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे videos stock up हो चुके हैं, but I haven't edited them and posted them. So that's going to be a very big task of today because मैंने काफ़ी लंबे videos बना दिए हैं. I will read my book. That is something I love to do. And I have to wash some utensils which have accumulated in the kitchen. मतलब किचन में भर चुके हैं बहुत सारे बर्तन, तो उनको भी हम धोएंगे. So these are the things that I have. और अब हम पहले यहाँ की सफाई करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत गंदा हो रहा है. एंड जब तक पूरी सफाई ना हो जाए मेरा माइंड क्लियर नहीं होता है. तो क्लियर माइंड के लिए क्लियर स्पेस चाहिए मुझे. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. From this list, I have completed 3 tasks. That is to clean the dishes, to clean the room, and to have something to eat. Now I have 3 tasks left, which is to make biology notes. Then I have to edit my video and I have to even read my book. That is my favorite part. But right now, I'm thinking let me just grab my laptop and start editing because I have 2 to 3 videos on my sleeves that I haven't edited. तो इनको हम edit कर लेते हैं फटाफट से. तो यही हमारा अभी का goal है. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel because you're going to be seeing a lot of daily vlogs and a lot of yesterday's vlog was not completed, so I'm going to be completing it today. And अभी बज रहे हैं around 10 AM in the morning और मैं अपना breakfast कर रही हूँ. I brushed my teeth, washed my face a little bit, and then I'm going to be having my breakfast. As you saw in the clip that we are having jabe for today, and I'm going to make some tang because I like to have some drink with it. So let me just make that. Okay guys, so now I will be having my breakfast and I will read my book, which is I Hear You. I am on page number 42. I'm really interested and intrigued on what is going on. By the way, if you don't know, I've read this book twice, halfway through, but I left it, I DNF'd it. But this time I'm going to be finishing this book because I really want to know what happened at the very last. Okay guys, please avoid the bad lighting. Right now electricity नहीं है तो फिर हम क्या ही कर सकते हैं. But अब मैं नहाने जाने वाली हूँ because it's quite late and my hair looks really bad because I have to wash it today. मैंने oiling करी थी but अब मुझे आज wash करना है. and I'll let you know why I'm washing my hair. Just wait for that as well. Tomorrow is something that is going to happen. Something is going to take place, so we're just going to wash it today itself. Okay guys, so I just had a bath and my hair is all wet. Right now I have to put some moisturizer on and put some body lotion. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to be using my body lotion, my Dove body lotion. By the way, none of this is sponsored. अभी मैं इतनी blessed नहीं हुई कि मुझे sponsorship मिले. And now I'm going to be moisturizing myself with the help of some face cream and some body lotion, because hydration for the skin is very important. So in the meantime, I will be telling you about my novel which I'm currently reading. If you all don't already know, I'm reading the novel I Hate You by Nidhi Upadhyay, and basically this novel is about a girl named Mahika, and Mahika is currently pregnant. She is living with her husband in a house. She is experiencing some weird things that are happening in her life. First of all, she's receiving some notes with a very long handwriting, and she doesn't know who the notes are coming from. On the other side, her husband is also receiving that same long handwriting note. Mahika is experiencing some of the things that she shouldn't be experiencing so early in her pregnancy. Like, she can feel the movement of her child only at 8 weeks, जबकि 16 weeks के बाद से ये movement शुरू होता है और उसका feeling जो है आनी वो शुरू होती है, but she's able to experience it so early. And the doctor, when she went for an ultrasound, the doctor sees that the limbs have grown so big. If you want to know the full review of this book and what was my rating for it, you will have to watch my May-June wrap-up video, which I will be posting at the end of June, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm done with my skincare and now I have to go outside. काम से मुझे बाहर जाना है, so I'm going to be shooting that also a little bit. So now I'm going to do my makeup, not very much. मुझे बस थोड़ा सा काम से जाना है, तो I don't have to do a lot of things. I'm using this blush which is of Inside. ये पूरा पैलेट है, इसमें highlighters हैं and blushes हैं, and I'm going to be using the blush for now. Highlighter I don't think इसकी ज़रूरत है. By the way, I didn't mention the fact कि मैं कल कहाँ जा रही हूँ. So कल मेरा और मेरी friend का plan बना हुआ है. So basically, one of my friends from school and I have decided that we will be going to the mall, थोड़ा घूमने फिरने के लिए. तो that is going to be a separate vlog. So stay tuned for that as well. I will be putting that on my channel as well. कुछ ना कुछ vlogging जो हम करेंगे वो definitely मेरे channel पे जाएगा. So stay tuned for that as well. And we will be, I don't know, exploring the mall. Nothing much. कुछ photos, खाना पीना यही सब करेंगे. तो that is going to be exciting. Actually, we were planning for this for over a month, but then she got a little unwell. Okay, थोड़ा unwell हो गई थी वो, जिसकी वजह से we couldn't go. So now we will be going today. Sorry, we will be going tomorrow, not today. I have this bindi, एक लाल बिंदी लगा लेते हैं because I just feel like it. Although I could have put black as well, but why not? Yeah. You know, बिंदी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो एक अलग ही लुक ले आती है, एंड आई फील लाइक मैं हर चीज़ के साथ बिंदी पहन सकती हूँ, इवन विद द ड्रेस. मतलब मैं ड्रेस के साथ भी मुझे कोई बिंदी दे दो, मैं पहनने को तैयार हूँ. आई एम परफेक्टली फाइन विद दैट एज वेल, बट ऑफ कोर्स हर चीज़ का एक ड्रेस कोड होता है. ओके गाइस, सो आई एम ऑल रेडी एंड नाउ आई जस्ट कोम माई हेयर आफ्टर अ लिटिल वाइल बिकॉज अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा गीला हो रहा है एंड आई डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक देम. सो या, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द डे. And let's just go because we have our work, and फिर मैं आपसे आके बात करती हूँ. हमारा काम कंप्लीट हो चुका था एंड वी डिसाइडेड कि हमें बाके बिहारी जाना चाहिए बिकॉज इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल टुडे. आई डोंट नो क्या चल रहा था बट बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे थे. सो गाइस, द व्लॉग हैज़ कम टू एन एंड एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड द व्लॉग. इसके बाद मैं घर आई थी. आई हैड माई डिनर. आई डिडंट शूट इट, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना बी गिविंग यू द आउट्रो द नेक्स्ट डे. एंड आई होप you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel because this supports me a lot and this encourages me to make more videos for y'all. If you want any other type of videos which you would like to see, don't forget to comment it in the comment section. And if you watched the video till the very end, I want you to put this emoji in the comment section so that I can be notified that you have watched till the very end. Along with this, a lot of you have been watching my videos but haven't been subscribing, so please subscribe to the channel because it's free of cost and it supports me. And I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care and we'll see in the next one. Bye bye.